Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful greeting card for Teachers Day. I will show you how to make this dimensional envelope from which lots of flowers and foliages are coming, and you can create for your favorite teacher in this upcoming Teachers Day. You can write just any special message inside the card. Isn't it looking very pretty and attractive? And this is super duper easy to make. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking white color cardstock, which is 14.5 by 15 centimeters, and I am taking 250 GSM cardstock. Then from three sides I am creasing at 1 centimeters and 2 centimeters. That is from right side, bottom side and left side. Like this. Then from bottom I am just creasing it at 8 centimeters. So just taking my tool, ball tool and ruler and making the crease line like this. Then we have to just find out the center, that is 7.5, and we need to join with this 8 centimeter marking that we just created. So creating the triangle kind of shape, and I'm just chopping these two lines using scissor to make it like the envelope. Also chopping both the corners. And then folding all the creased parts and burnishing it very well using bone folder. So it should look like this after making the folds. Now we just need to chop these corners like this so that we can construct the box envelope. Similarly, I have cut in left side. Now we just need to fold these flaps like this and stick it very well using glue. Hold it for a few seconds and allow it to dry completely. So it's dried. Now I am just sticking one white color cardstock inside this to make it close. Then to decorate it from top, I am taking one beautiful pattern paper here and just sticking it like this. And this is done. Now I'm taking one white color cardstock for base, which measures 15 by 30 centimeters. I have already folded this from center, and now I'm sticking one beautiful pattern paper on this. And also sticking this box envelope on top of the card. And this is done. Now here I'm taking this beautiful fan shaped pink color net cloth. I have just cut it in a rectangular strip and created the fan shape. So I'm just sticking it inside the envelope. It will give nice backdrop to your flowers. You can also use kite paper fan, but the net cloth gives nice shabby chic look. Then it's time to make the quilling flowers. For the first flower here I am taking half strip of light pink color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So leaf is ready. Similarly I have prepared one more. And now for next shape I am taking half strip of maroon color and making one leaf shape. Then joining all 3 petals together and wrapping it using maroon color strip. Similarly, I have prepared 6 more petals, so just joining all 7 petals together and making the flower. Like this. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking one strip of white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Sticking the tight coil exactly in the center of the flower, and the beautiful flower is ready. Allow it to dry completely. Then for the next flower I am taking one strip of purple color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. So I'm just joining total 5 petals together to create the flower. And for the center of the flower I have already prepared one tight coil which is made using half strip of white color. Similarly I have created one more flower. Now for the next bud shape I am taking half strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. I am joining total 3 teardrops with each other. Just taking one small piece of sap green color strip and sticking it exactly in the center of the bud. So you can use this kind of bud as a filler between the flower construction. In the same way I have prepared 3 more buds. Now to start with leaf, I am taking here 1/4 strip of light sap green color and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and creating the teardrop shape. Just joining 3 petals together. and the leaf is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Also, I have prepared some scrolls using the same color combination. If you want to learn how to make scrolls, just check the description box for link. So all the shapes are ready. Taking back my card and just decorating the bottom of the envelope using this beautiful border punch which is cut on pink color cardstock. Here I have used die to cut the border. You can also use border punch. Just trimming the excess paper, and then I am filling the envelope with lots of flowers, pillars and foliages. Here I am using some leaf cutouts which are made using dies. All the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. So first I am filling the bottom part using some foliages, and then I will decorate it using my handmade quilling designs. Then at the end I am adding the sentiment Happy Teachers Day, which is handwritten using brush pen, and also decorating one corner of the envelope using this beautiful net cloth bow with the same pink color net. It's looking very gorgeous and attractive. And the beautiful card for Teachers Day with lots of flowers is ready. You can make this card with different color combinations, and also you can write the special message inside the card for your favorite teacher. So there is lot of space to add sentiments and message inside the card. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.